Space, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the Negro Enterprise. And if I was traveling from the moon to the earth as light, it would take 1.3 seconds. If I was an electron, it would take 2.9 minutes. And if I was a space shuttle, it would take 14 hours. And at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, it would take sound 13 days. A passenger jet, 18 days. A New York subway train at maximum speed, 220 days to reach the Earth. And a human, it would take 9 years to walk from the moon to the Earth. This is His Lordship, and I am your urban attaché.
Peace to the gods. Hey, listen. People hate themselves. That's why. People hate themselves. Develop yourself as an individual before you hop in a relationship. Fall in love with you first and who you are. The problem is so many people get in relationships with people that are in love with who they are, but they're not in love with who they are. With who they are.
If you take advantage of slow, mentally challenged people, I don't think you like yourself. You know, how could you like yourself taking advantage of people that are mentally challenged? I'm sure they got some gifts, but on the surface, it doesn't look like they wrapped too tight, and you took advantage of that. So it is what it is. You're going to either pay on this earth or you're going to pay when you meet your maker.